Welcome once again, guys, to the best place for your latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is an Enoylity technology.
Hey everyone, welcome to CES 2026. I'm so excited to bring you inside one of the most impressive booths at this year's show, the MadeInChina.com booth, also known as MIC. If you're not familiar with MadeInChina.com, let me tell you, this is one of the world's leading B2B platforms connecting global buyers with millions of verified Chinese manufacturers and suppliers. What makes MIC truly special is their commitment to quality and trust. They feature audited suppliers with third-party inspection reports from renowned organizations like SGS, Bureau Veritas, and TÜV Rheinland. So, we are working with legitimate people, reliable businesses. Imagine having access to top manufacturers with proven export experience, strong production capabilities, and high-quality standards, all in one place. Plus, their secure trading service protects your transactions from start to finish, holding your payment until delivery is confirmed. And here at CES, MIC is showcasing all this innovation and reliability in an incredible booth experience. So, are you ready to see what all this buzz is about? Let's dive in. Joey, our guide on the ground, is going to take us through the booth and show us what makes MIC the go-to platform for global sourcing. Take it away, Joey.
Hi guys, this is Joy from MadeInChina.com, and now today I want to introduce our platform to you. Actually, MadeInChina.com is a B2B website. We help global buyers connect with Chinese buyers. If buyers want to find anything from China, you can come to our website to search and contact with the supplier directly. So why we come to CES these days? Firstly, we want to promote our website. We want more buyers to know our website. And secondly, we bring some very specific suppliers to our booth and show them products to the audience and help them to promote, which is one of the services from our website. Firstly, is the multifunction charger. It's really popular these days because of this, like a car. It's very cool. So a lot of a lot of people take photos and ask about these products. This is from one of our membership. This is a mouse killer. As you can see, the mouse come into here and the machine will kill the mouse, which is very interesting. So a lot of people also ask about these products. It's from another our membership. This is an animal repealer. It's solar panel, and you can when you put it near your house, they will release some sound and make the animals away. Yeah. But if you want no more information about these products, you can try to search the QR code. It's the showroom on our website. It will show the price and the detail of the products. As a speaker, it's like a watch, or you can just put on your clothes for like outdoor activities. It's from the same supplier, these products.
Wow! Can we just take a moment to appreciate the energy at the MadeInChina.com booth? Look at this! This isn't just a booth, it's a hub of innovation, connection, and real business opportunities happening in real time. What I love seeing is how MIC has created this immersive experience. Attendees aren't just walking by, they're actually stopping. They're engaging. They're discovering the platform's features like the 360-degree virtual factory tours that let you experience suppliers facilities from anywhere in the world, and the customized sourcing solutions that are tailored specifically to buyers' needs. MadeInChina.com is really proving why they're the leading in B2B space. They're not just facilitating transactions, they're building trust, providing market insights, and creating meaningful connections between businesses across the globe. And judging by the crowd and the positive reactions we're seeing, people are absolutely loving what MIC brings to the table. The booth energy is contagious, and it's clear that MadeInChina.com is making a powerful impression here at CES 2026. What an amazing booth experience. I hope you enjoyed this inside look at MadeInChina.com's presence here at CES 2026 as much as we enjoyed bringing it to you. From their user-friendly platform and verified suppliers to their innovative features like secure trading and virtual factory tours, MIC is truly revolutionizing how global businesses source products and connect with manufacturers. The energy, the innovation, the trust, it's all here. If you're a business owner, buyer, or entrepreneur looking for reliable sourcing solutions, we truly recommend checking out MadeInChina.com. With millions of suppliers, comprehensive verification systems, and dedicated support, thank you so much for joining us at the MIC booth. Make sure to visit MadeInChina.com to explore their platform and discover how they can help you grow your business. Until next time, keep innovating, keep connecting, keep growing. This is your host, Michaela, signing off from CES 2026. See you next time.